Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mustang S197 and how to take off your wiper arms and your wiper blades. The only tool you're going to be needing is a ratchet with a 13mm socket, and without wasting any time, I'm going to pop open the hood and let's get started. You're first going to remove this black protective cover cap. It pulls right off, and then you're going to connect your socket and open up this one bolt. Once the nut is off, you're going to pull the wiper arm completely up, so make sure it's completely up against the windshield, and then with a firm pull you're going to pull the wiper arm towards you and it should come right out. And I'm going to do the same exact process on the other side as well. As you guys are seeing, my wiper arms were painted red and it just does not look as great as it used to. So I'm taking them off so I could paint them black. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy DIY video for the Mustang S197. And if you guys want to see more videos on the S197, please make sure to check out the playlist and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.